Hi guys, welcome back. This is part 2 of data modeling video. I have created all the tables here. Once I create all the tables, you just need to click close and apply. Once you click close and apply, it will say the changes will be applied. It's taking time. Just give it a minute or two so that it will load up everything. So once it's ready, we are ready to go. Yeah, everything is done. So go to the model view and here you can see some relationships. The best thing to do is go to manage relationships, delete everything, and then click on close. So just I'll close this. Now this is a fact table. Keep it in the center like this. Keep it like this. And now we need to connect from. So here is the product ID. Here is the product ID. We need to link it with this. We need to drag and drop here. So you get many to one relationship. If you click on it, it will show many to one relationships. And similarly, you can drag it and drop it on order date, many to one. Similarly, for the customer ID, locate customer ID in this table and here. So it's many to one again. So it is good. Whatever we did is correct. Yeah, many to one again. Right until now, and just connect the city with the city. Yeah, once everything is done, I'll tell you why it is called a star schema. It is called star schema because it looks like a star. In the center, it looks like a star, so this is called a star schema. That's it. In the next video, we'll discuss about DAX and M language. Thank you.